Don't want constant notification from your AOL mail? I'll show you how to turn them off so you can focus better. Let's get started. First, open AOL mail on your browser and log in. Click on the settings icon located in the top right corner and go to more settings. Under the general settings tab, find the notification section. Tap on it and uncheck the box next to email notification to stop receiving alerts for new emails. If you only want to turn off notifications for certain folders, you can manage these settings under folder preferences. How often do you get distracted by notification? Let me know in the comments below. If you don't see the notification options, make sure your AOL Mail app is up to date. Sometimes an update will resolve missing settings. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.